is Darshika Sharma and I presented here with my bird feeder. This is my bird feeder. I made this bird feeder with some items like I used the box of the bottle, rope, chart paper strip and A4 size sheet. The bird feeder is used for a bird to eat her breakfast, lunch and dinner. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I explain how to make my bird feeder. Things that used to make my bird feeder are easily available in the market. Things like cardboard paper, A4 size paper, scissors and glue. Thank you.
All of you, my name is Amakshi Verma. Today I am tell you how I made this bird feeder. First, I take this bicycle stick and thread. We put it on the garden and birds come and put some grains on it.
Good morning everyone. Good morning everyone. Today I will talk about explain my bird feeder. This is made from a plastic bowl, wool and stick. I will hang on my garden on a tree of guava. Birds will come and eat the grains. They will happy. If we care of birds, they care to nature. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ishita Sen. This is my bird feeder. It is made up from ice cream sticks, cardboard and plates. I poured grains for birds and I will took into my veranda. Birds will eat and they are happy.
Good morning everyone. My name is Khushi Kumari. This is my handmade bird feeder. I will create it using ice cream stick, cardboard and glue. First, how I made it. First I took a piece of cardboard for the base. Then I will stick the ice cream stick side by side to make floor and wall. How I will use it. First I will place the grains and nuts in grains and rice into it. Then I hang it on the branch of tree. This is a simple way to create. This is a simple way to care the bird and help food, especially in summer. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Siddhartha. I am presenting here with the bird feeder. This is my bird feeder. I make it from paper, cardboard and stick. I put grains in this and birds come and eat. Thank you. Good morning everyone. This is my project, the bird feeder. I made from ice cream sticks and cardboard. I put grain in this bird feeder. Thank you.
Friends, my name is Divyanka Vishwakarma and I am going to talk about my bird feeder. This is my bird feeder and this is in colorful shape. I am going to put this bird feeder in my veranda. Birds are come and they have to bring her food. Thank you.
My name is Vipul Kumar. I study business with J. I am
What is this?
bird feeder.
Okay. How do you made it?
Waste plastics and clay cup.
What do you put in it? Rice, grains, and water in the cup. Okay, good.
This is my bird feeder. It is bird. Hello everyone, this is my bird feeder. I made of plastic and paper cup and put in the veranda and birds come and eat rice and happy. morning everyone. My name is Anaka. I am studying class 5th. My describe is Palaho. This Palaho make ice cream sticks and use paints.
Where do you keep it? What do you keep it inside? What do you keep inside the bird feeder?
Rice and bird
Okay, who will eat all these things? The grains, the rice, etc.
and crow.
Crow. Okay, good.
My name is Yatin Devina. How we make a bird feeder. I made ice cream box and diya and glue and tape and a ribbon. I will keep in the veranda. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Kriti Sharma. This is my handmade
Bird feeder.
bird feeder. I created is use a plastic water and wood. I will place rice, grains and seeds inside in the bird feeder.